The Service AT warning light in your Nissan indicates a potential issue with the transmission system, most commonly the continuously variable transmission, or CVT. This means the transmission control module, or TCM, has detected an anomaly such as abnormal gear ratios, fluid pressure problems, or sensor faults. Common causes include low, degraded, or incorrect transmission fluid. Always use Nissan NS3 CVT fluid. Other causes are faulty speed sensors, solenoid issues, or TCM software glitches, and mechanical wear of CVT components like belts or pulleys. Ignoring this warning can lead to shuddering, slipping, loss of power, and complete CVT failure, requiring costly repairs. Diagnosis typically involves scanning for trouble codes such as P0746 using an OBD2 tool at a repair shop. Start by checking your transmission fluid level and condition. Low or dirty fluid is a common culprit behind the Service AT warning. In some cases, a TCM reset might temporarily clear the warning. Disconnect the battery for 10 to 15 minutes to reset the transmission control module. Software updates can resolve the warning. Take your vehicle to a dealership where they can check for and install available updates. If the problem persists, professional diagnosis is necessary. Mechanics will check for fluid leaks, use diagnostic tools to pinpoint issues like faulty sensors or solenoids. Common fixes include fluid flush, sensor replacement, or CVT rebuild in severe cases. Repair costs range from a few $100s to several thousand. DIY fixes are not recommended as they risk further damage and could void your warranty.